ShengDa Metal Products Co is located in Changshu, where it enjoys all along the reputation of a blessed place in the southern region of Yangtze River. The factory covers an area of more than 20,000 square meters. Since its establishment, it has many years of experience in processing different kinds of stamping parts and sheet metal parts. For example, stainless steel products, industrial pump case, mechanical products, medical instrument, lamp accessories, food containers, etc. It is a pilot in the development production of metal stamping. We specialize in deep drawing and large stretching stamping. The products are well accepted by customers and sold to a dozen of countries and regions in Asia, Europe, North America, and Latin America. We cooperate with several Fortune 500 companies. Facing the increasingly intensified market competition, ShengDa Metal offers clients customized individual technical solutions through market channels, such as online marketing, customer referral, and domestic abroad exhibitions. Requests raised by customers are transforming into actions of design drawing, prototype manufacturing, mass production. ShengDa Metal intends to provide all-round attentive services which customers can enjoy conveniently and efficiently. Our factory always adheres to technology and quality as the foundation of business, constantly pursuing the higher technology and standards of similar domestic products. Our factory has strong R&D and quality management capabilities. ShengDa Metal has abided by the norm to prosper the company on intelligence to care for people. It is also ShengDa Metal's consistent pursuit to innovate. Our factory has a set of 3000T and 38 sets of 55100T stretching machine with different tonnage, as well as over 100 sets of various production equipment, such as large punch press, sheet metal CNC press, shear folding machine, benching machine, etc. Our factory has passed ISO 9001 certification by Beijing CPAG, as well as SGS certification. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future.